You want to eat this today. Let's start by smearing a pan with lots of margarine. After greasing, add 790 grams of condensed milk. Once that's done, just book the form on the side. In a container, add 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of margarine, 1 cup of sugar, remembering that my cup has 200 ml, and now mix well. Add 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The one I added is already yeasty, but if yours isn't, add 1 tablespoon, 1 cup of powdered chocolate, but it can also be chocolated. Mix everything very well until it's very consistent. This is the sweet spot. Now, just take the dough and add it on top of the condensed milk. Add the way I did in the video so that the dough is all the same. After adding all the dough, use a spatula to straighten. With everything ready, now just take it to preheated oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Remember to unmold the cake when it's already cold, because in the video I unmolded it while it's warm and the filling fell apart a little. Honestly, it's a delight. I hope you enjoyed and do it at your home because I'm sure that everyone will love it. It's a super quick, easy and simple cake to make, and it already comes out of the oven. This was another little recipe here from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.